competition. With the competition, it offers and fame, which means you try to be famous, you try to win any competition which comes on your way. Second one, sponsorship. Sponsorships can be one of the main reasons why people get addicted to social media, because they provide creative funds, which means, let's say, for any post that you post, for any video, for any photo, you get money from it. For any competition that you win, you get money from it. Third one, training. Training makes you to be more on the game or on the social media app, and it gets time from you. It wastes time from you. Second one, we have understanding gaming addiction, psychological effects of gaming and also internet at the same time. Excessive internet and gaming use can stem from factors like impulsivity, mental health issues, which we're going to cover in this presentation, and social isolation. So also talking to people that you don't know and be in game purchases, purchasing money on the games, and sometimes can lead to stealing money from your parents unintentionally. We have a photo of a teenager here, a real example of someone who's playing on Minecraft. Next up, we have some meaningful photos, which we can see here. This guy is connected to his phone, and whatever he sees on his phone is directly connected to his mind.
Second up, we can see a phone in someone's hand and the camera connected to the phone, which means the phone is now taking over our lives. It's serving as a purpose for our blood. It's replacing our hearts. It's replacing our brain. It's actually being the way of living nowadays.
Next one, we see two hands, which they represent social media and gaming, which changes the minds of this guy into a phone, into a technological device. Which means whatever he sees is connected to his mind. Whatever he does, whatever he sees on the technological devices, whether it's gaming or internet, is connected to his mind. Use this one to the left side. Next one, we have this photo.
Next one is about gaming. This one, we can see that he's playing a game or she playing on their phone. We can see that the controller that is connected has tied his or her hands, which means she cannot or he cannot go away from it. She's playing hours and hours. She cannot go away. She's addicted, and she spent hours and countless time spent on this while wasting all of his daily life.
Did you see? This clock represents 24 hours. Next one, we have a guy, which say all based on the real examples. It says late night gaming. He's playing late in the night, and also something else. There's someone calling him. Who's that? His mom. But is there any replies?
Now this graph shows us what happens every 60 seconds or every minute on the internet. We can see that every minute there's more than 700,000 hours of YouTube videos watched. We can also see more than 3.8 million Google searches. Alongside that, 65,000 photos are being uploaded to Instagram and many other social apps.